Alright, so this is my rail crawl here, printing at 180 millimeter per second. Just a little cat ball accessory, so I thought I would experiment with the speeds. Yeah, so I had to increase the temp by quite a lot, over 10 degrees. Usually I print at 195, here I had to get up to 215. Flow as well, and increase from 100 to 110. Otherwise, yeah, I had these under extrusion. Here you can see on the Flex 3 drive what kind of speed this means. That's basically 10 millimeter per second of extrusion. On my encoder you can see the wheel spinning. You can also see the pulses. Every pulse is 2 millimeter of filament being fed through. So here you can see that it's going through quite a lot. Yeah, like some of these under extrusion will also do to the filament tangling, because this is from an old roll. Yeah, so I have this really nice spool holder. And here about the data, I think that's pretty cool. You can see 180, yeah, 160 millimeter per second of extrusion. I thought it was 180. Yeah, but still 160. That means, just to put this in perspective, yeah, that's about 23 cubic millimeter of volumetric flow, which I think it's not really an issue for the Mosquito Magnum, and that translates in, yeah, a feed rate of 10 millimeter per second. And I'm printing 0.48 line width and 0.3 millimeter layer height. So yeah, pretty fast. And apart from the ugly seams, which I forgot to turn off the combing, once I managed to dial in the settings, it looks pretty good. You will see what the final part looks like. Look at her go.